After all these things, say U.S. court approves Ken Ofori Atta's permanent residency application. Yeah, sorry, and it say Ken Ofori Atta lawyers actual statement be about Bontene say the U.S. government or America issue a year permanent residency at the ama Ken Ofori Atta. That application of the two or my granted say Ken Ofori Atta green card to become a permanent resident in the United States of America. Well, I want to say now I bro for 7 my minju munchiro. And they're sorry na Ken Ofori Atta the lawyers at the crata be about Bontene and my news for report to say a year former finance minister Odi Ghana Sikasem enim Onye Obiana Ebeka say money box in Kutano, Ekufu the power from 2017 to 2024. Now handle Ghana Sikasem, Sikebia edidi Juma Ghana Efani Semuno. NPP are buying free power and free Ghana or better America. Yani Ghana for Chinibia say Ombra. Now Sebio Juma de Odi from 2017 to 2024 no. Omme provincial Ghana for say ono Ken Ofori Atta. Oni Bawumia. Any MPP for no area yesika ombe bien krata mu na onkyere se yesika no adekudientia ekaba ha emfaso ba ha sika edi shedi nsem wenwie bi wanfa bi anya bi ombra keke mechirim owie a onsanko America no Ken Ofori Atta amba ose onye ema Ken Ofori Atta betena America mende wa press America for emma ne bebi ntena afebo se ne be ya Ghana na Obedi Yesika Samso enim eye finance minister for 8 years Ode Bawumia etna economic management team etna cabinet edwindwini Ghana sika ho ebo Ghana ho bra for 8 years or say America for money baby ntna afeball na Ghana ne die lalai enya de obeba nti ene sorry no eye diabeti nyina African Ofori Atta lawyers no say ende America for amman krata enkyere se obetima tena ha ye dwuma ema so ye na adwene se onko Ghana biem kura obi aniwa obetumi atata no. Now see my green card eno nkyere se ye ntumi extradite, meaning se Ghana government still omo pursue extradition of Ken Ofori Atta. It's a path they can still take because being granted a green card no does not exclude you from extradition. If the country omo person omo be foul edeko by force ede ene embranu kodino omo engina so ankasa na se omo ne America for no tenase di nko na America for no se engina so no emu eden a oman no eni eye de authority bia se omo betumi a prevent Ghana man se omo fa Ken Ofori Atta akọ but also TB bia se Ken Ofori Atta time na MPP power. Ken Ofori Atta was part of Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuor Bawumia symposia, exhibitions, talk shows, everything. In fact, Ken Ofori Atta was part of the series of demonstrations in Ghana. Kache say he is back to serve his motherland. He is a patriot. Ghana and waba opese awesome. Inti yantam to me make for na ombeye finance minister. So we saw so many demonstrations at Ken Ofori Atta LD ya. Now catch Ghana for say Montuma MPP because no me moye den. Omo no mudi muso ye NDC for no. Omo nomo. Ye na ye Ghana for ye dog Ghana ye chim for. Ye na mudi to minima ya ye betumi yi yakumem because Ghana ye do. Ken Ofori Atta LED demonstrations.
Which were really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you really need to get up and talk about it because we cannot, as a nation that deserves so much more, come to this level. Which were really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you really need to get up and talk about it because we cannot, as a nation that deserves so much more, come to this level. I'm working really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you really need to get up and talk about it because we cannot, as a nation that deserves.
This is when Akufo-Addo was in opposition, Ken Ofori Atta led demonstrations, telling Ghana we are the people who love Ghana. And the other way Ghana ni. But you ask yourself, na obi a wabesom ne man 8 years. So many times on your opportunity or the Bible na ne Ghana for kasaye. Or try say or nyamesumni or nyamsuruni. De oye ama ye nyina ne eye nakumem ene nakumem fita or di Ghana for. In fact, Ken Ofori Atta ka say ejuma oyema ye kra wanji pay because na oye de otunu ho ache. Oye ejuma ma ye at a point or catch say when tia no ho ka wa ma no ho salary, meaning ejuma eye de Yesu Kristo beye ye no eno abi na Ken Ofori Atta beye sa ehu che ejuma ana dedication ejuma selflessness ejuma sa ejuma ya ya ketua Yesu beye bi wa asase no so no 2016 Ken Ofori Atta ka che Ghana for say oba beye bi ama Ghana ema ye de tumi ma MPP no ye be ne finance minister no o say pay kura onje na oye ejuma no acheye. Ken Ofori Atta LED budget upon budget, LED delegation upon delegation, LED policy upon policy, introduce different policies, interventions. Ken Ofori Atta was the head of Ghana Sikasem. Ye pie kwa bruchire ni ekodi sika ho nkoma ono ene di sa nkoma no. Bebi a ye di esika to, de ne ye di esika ye, emfaso e ba so, e ka kakra ba ye, nyoma ye di esika nyina ono ena na sebio ohweso. For 8 years, Ken Ofori Atta etna economic management team one Bawumia ene chair sa management committee no. One Bawumia na anadwubi omu hia ehwe Ghana nkrata mu sikasem. Ken Ofori Atta ene Mahmoud Bawumia 2020 etna se drafty policy a almost adeba election 2020 mu. Mahmoud Bawumia ene Ofori Atta etna se every single day discuss Ghana sikasem our cabinet. After Obu free power no, Ken Ofori Atta free Ghana betna brochire. Ema yeni ya Ghana nyina pa Ken Ofori Atta chew se Ken. Nipa bi keka nsem bi. OSP de nkrata bi abontene ka nsem bi ato wo so. Woni Ken na yenim na wonji salary. Woni Ken na de bi obekan budgeter na where dey ukoti Bible quotations. Woni Ken Ofori Atta na unya COVID-19 yarea na okache Ghana for say you will serve us till you die. Woni Ken Ofori Atta na oche say o de nokure na edi esika semenim. Intende OSP de nsem bi toto so. Na se wo ugidi pa se osuma wo besum ya wanji pay. Osuma wo besum ya na wunua na Akufo-Addo a na wo da cabinet ano. Osuma obesum ya na uhwe Ghana sikasem nyina so no. Se osuma obesum ya na esompa wanfa sika bia ohuson a brafie keke na bra na beyi wonno ho ano na wo a bebia opese okotene bia akotena efi se ansa na wo beji tumi no ka che se Ghana ho do. In fact, uji tumi no kra no ubegina parliament bia na wo the Bible kire se onyankopon namu ana you were walking in the shoes of Christ. Now they no fine na AD sikasemeni. Enti time OS we started say order in samotos no. You expect and as Ghana forwards were expecting say at least can Ofori Atta will just come back home and prove to Nenyankopon. Nenyankopon no quoting every day in parliament. Nenyankopon a na debi odeka che se ono na sebio ohwe nenim ema ne bedi Ghana sikasem so at least can you prove to ono ne ho ne busuafo especially Mahamudu Bawumia oni ne ye adwuma and obayi ni flag bearer to come and prove to Ghana for say oni MPP fo oni Bawumia ene Akufo-Addo omambo Ghana krono. But this is the case where Ken Ofori Atta says say obeba Ghana die anka US for money green card no ontna. Are you not shocked? Are you not worried? Doesn't this worry you? Now, the biggest question here is, Sadia ya Ken Ofori Atta no, does it worry the flag bearer of the NPP? Does he see it as a problem to his political career? Does the flag bearer who worked with Ken Ofori Atta for 80 years, an integral member of the economic management team, who worked with Ken Ofori Atta on budgets, who worked with Ken Ofori Atta in cabinet, ask this question. Inti Mahamudu Bawumia, when he sees this, said the finance minister that he worked with, the whole Ghana, they were telling Ghana for say, they were managing the economy and were not stealing from Ghana. But I was saying, Bawumia, when he sees these things, doesn't it worry him? Mibusa. Because Sebio Menawaka say Obia also onya Ken Ofori Atta ho ehun faso power asase we so Mahamudu Bawumia. Why do I say this? Because Ken Ofori Atta etu ne tuba Ghana ha na obe prove kire Ghana fo nyina ende yaje atum se ono Ken Ofori Atta ne Ekufuado ne Bawumia mu wiaye otum be prove kire Ghana fo nyina wo court se onfa kapra why ne be enjoy Ken sa aden Mahamudu Bawumia. Because right now the only person obetuma be prove kire Ghana for say Bawumia wiaye Bawumia yire nya kromfo all man using the office no mass wealth on kata bibia sum protected Bawumia nankasa. Don't you think say Ken Ofori Atta coming to Ghana no nipa nka be ye ni good pa be boa no to prove himself to Ghana for say ono so nya kromfo ya Bawumia. So why is the NPP, why is Mahamudu Bawumia not worried about Ken Ofori Atta staying back in America and not coming to Ghana to just do what? Tell us what he basically did when he was given power to run our economy. It's a question to say, is Bawumia not worried? Why is Bawumia not worried? Why is Bawumia not pushing for Ken Ofori Atta to come? Why is Bawumia celebrating today, say Ken Ofori Atta has been given a green card? It is because Mahamudu Bawumia knows that when Ken Ofori Atta enters Ghana, his political career will end. Mahamudu Bawumia is a beneficiary of Ken Ofori Atta's stewardship. Adebia Ken Ofori Atta ye wa Ghana, and they say Ombra Ghana me ya no so onye. The person who benefited most is Mahamudu Bawumia. That is why, since say Ken Ofori Atta some we see, Mahamudu Bawumia has stayed away silently from it, because the person who will get the biggest hits. Se Ken Ofori Atta ba Ghana begina court se oyi nyoma no a Bawumia ne yere. They will both go to jail. And as a Ghanaian, you might not like me. I don't fucking care whether you like me or not. But yet why would you go to the ballot and say I want to give power to Bawumia? Because Mahamudu Bawumia is against transparency. Mahamudu Bawumia has embraced corruption. Mahamudu Bawumia today is against transparency. He is trying everything possible as the leader of the NPP. Today he's excited that the man who is being accused of manipulating, stealing, handling corrupt issues under the Ekufuado Bawumia regime, today Bawumia is happy protecting this man from coming to Ghana. Since Ken Ofori Atta asem we buy Mahamudu Bawumia njina bebia da enka say ende Ghana for hu me say me yewi. Ghanaians see me Bawumia as a criminal, as a thief, somebody who is the head of a political party that basically in the history of Ghana ye Ghana for ya kromfo. Mahamudu Bawumia has not been able to plead publicly, locally, internationally, with Ken Ofori Atta to come and clean that debt of him and the party. Why do you think a politician who thinks, say, winning election 2028 is very dear to his heart, and also to prove a point to say they can fight corruption? Why do you think a politician like that will not have a problem with Ken Ofori Atta staying in America? Mahmoud Bawumia personally does not want Ken Ofori Atta in Ghana. And then you ask yourself, why should anybody vote for Bawumia to lead us? Why should any Ghanaian? And then a Ghanaian, because so many people are angry. We are angry about what Ken Ofori Atta did. We are angry of the Ekufuado, Gabi, Busuafone, na Kenedano. That is why so many people in the MPP, Eka say ye abani mama Bawumia kura, yema Bawumia nko. Na Bawumia provincial Ghana for say he is not part of Ken Ofori Atta Ekufuado's criminal cartel. But still, Mahmoud Bawumia cannot disprove that. Say he is an integral member and that Ekufuado, Ken Ofori Atta, Gabi Ochedakumu Sika, and are still running a campaign. They are in control. They are in control of Mahmoud Bawumia's campaign. And how is Bawumia going to disassociate himself from Ken Ofori Atta, Ekufuado, these people? He can't, because they are the brain behind his political career. They are the ones who are resourcing his political career. The NPP flag bearer, he's being managed. In Tiagas artist way the manager ni, artist way the manager ni. This movie actress, this actor ni manager ni. Mahmoud Bawumia ni manager and Ken Ofori Atta, Ekufuado ne Gabimo. They are the bile of his political career. The campaign, and remember, politics is all about those who pull the strings. Politics is all about those who call in the funds. Politics is all about those who hold you down. Sa unsa president wejina politician wejina the people who made him president are the politics. Inti sa eye Mahmoud Bawumia. Sa Bawumia jina he is representing Ken Ofori Atta. Because if today, or the next 4 years, or 2 years, or 3 years, now ye Bawumia as president, Ken Ofori Atta, the probability of him coming back to be an advisor in the Jubilee House is 1,000%. Who on this planet can today convince me that Ken Ofori Atta, if Bawumia wins power, he's not going to come to Ghana? He is. So if today Bawumia and Adrian say, on Ken Ofori Atta some, and that Ken Ofori Atta area the oil in America, no, he is not going to speak on it, because at the end of the day, Ken Ofori Atta staying out of Ghana, no, it goes in the benefit of Mahmoud Bawumia, because on the manager, omo manage Bawumia, and Bawumia wallahi can never, ever. And Nintina Bawumia is scared to grant interviews out of Ghana. And Nintina Bawumia is scared to grant a one-on-one interview. Because see, if Bawumia goes outside this country, any intelligent journalist will question Bawumia on Ken Ofori Atta staying in America. And Mahmoud Bawumia is scared because his opinion will decide whether Obenya Sika for his campaign or not. Until one thing he has done, he has moved away from one-on-one interviews. Open interview chamber Bawumia. Open one-on-one chamber Bawumia. Even the people around Bawumia, and they say, Omo running a campaign. Have you heard anybody speak about Ken Ofori Atta? Because Ken Ofori Atta is the money box. Intimibusawo. Ubuofu Ken Ofori Atta. You don't even want to hear about the Ekufuado. Krono amube boy. And they had the ballot at all. You had the paper at all. Ooh, rather kim. Now we have Bawumia. Are you going to trust Bawumia? Say, Oba power. Ken Ofori Atta. Remember, Ken Ofori Atta in 2009. Yes, Ken Ofori Atta the a deal be a friend the Obotan deal. Obe dupi a snit. Omuwie no forensic audit omuye ne kire say e o Ken Ofori Atta ye chinitum and a Ken Ofori Atta Ghana free Ghana. I'm speaking to that document, and my chair must have document on this platform that the forensic audit, the report said clearly that Ken Ofori Atta data bank, Ken Ofori Atta mo, they are supposed to be arrested. Ken Ofori Atta Ghana e kan ho na JJ Rollins bufu Atta Mills. Because J.J. Rawlings told Atta Mills that he was supposed to arrest Ken Ofori Atta and then the likes. You know. Ken Ofori Atta went into exile, went quiet. They had to pick money, be sending back home. Time for the car a year or two to come to power. And you Ken Ofori Atta on the streets of Ghana doing demonstration to become the finance minister of Ghana.
Which were really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you know, you really need to get up and talk about it, because we cannot, as a nation that deserves so much more, come to this level.
I'm working like a bull and I'm paying my taxes.
Were really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you know, you really need to get up and talk about it, because we cannot, as a nation that deserves so much more.
So when Ken Ofori Atta created the Obutan deal 1999-2000, that was the latter part of Kufuor's administration. SNET, DP SNET over 5 million Ghana cedis. Those times, 1999. That was the latter part of Kufuor's administration, 1999 to 2000. And Atta Mills taking over. J.J. Rawlings catcher Atta Mills say they are supposed to arrest Ken Ofori Atta. Atta Mills tina homa Ken Ofori Atta free Ghana. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 2016. That is 17 years. Ken Ofori Atta came back and became the finance minister of Ghana. So that's 17 years occurred, na data banker or create uja hokoy na data bank no technically ne gu. After 17 years, Ken Ofori Atta entered Ghana politics through the election of Akufo-Addo. The biggest position in Ghana, Yemfendi Agro and Akufo-Addo Tama Ken Ofori Atta. Ken Ofori Atta became the finance minister of Ghana for 80 years. Now you see the picture. And after Ken Ofori Atta's stewardship, we are saying, come back home and do what? And account for your stewardship. Ken Ofori Atta said, Oye Juma Wanjipe, come and tell us. He says, no, I want to stay in America. And we secure green card permanently. Mahamudu Bawumia, who is now the flag bearer of the NPP, One Ken Ofori Atta Juma, over 12 years, has decided not to speak on this man who handled Ghana's economy for 8 years. And Kabi Binchro. Doesn't it worry you as a young man aware MPP ni? You, the communicator who gets up every morning to go sit on radio and TV to speak, say, for MPP bra power. Doesn't this worry you? Let's flip the coin a little bit. Imagine, let's say, Ken Ofori Atta NDC ni kakotena TV so ade na obeka. Say nka oba Facebook anka de na nka obeka. Let's say Ken Ofori Atta yemfa ne se na ye NDC ni story amaka akire wi. Ena ende John Mahama ye opposition leader anka de na nka wo beka. I'm asking you, these communicators, most small boys here, modity Facebook, TikTok. Yeah, me busa o. Sanka Ken Ofori Atta ye NDC ni anka de na nka wo beka. Anka o etna TV so a kadena nka obe bie wano aka. Let's be reasonable. Are you not scared? Unsro. Who are you working for? What's your end game? In TV, so who defend this idea? At the end of the day, what is your end game? Do you want this to continue? Do you want Bawumia to come to power and then elect you Fufro as the finance minister? That person too, at the end of the day, will run and go some other country and say, I've gone to claim citizenship or residency. Are you not worried? You, the young Ghanaian talking for the MPP. You, the young lady, the young boy, speaking and saying we should bring Bawumia to power. Are you not worried? What are you looking for? What are you asking for? We are asking for transparency. We are asking for truthfulness. We are asking for people who willingly will work and stay and account for their stewardship. Are we now going to create this culture of people coming to serve us. And that is what the MPP represents. That is what Mahamudu Bawumia represents. That is why he cannot speak on it. This you are seeing here is one of the most dangerous things about to any nation. Because now, people in this political party, MPP, they will take inspiration from what Ofori Atta has done. And anytime I catch up and say, some mistake. Now come to me, the MPP. Every single person who will get an appointment, they will destroy you. I got 2 months my election about, they will leave the country. And you can't do nothing. I control. This is just Ofori Atta. You see the way you are struggling to get him back home. A Bawumia with power. Now, oyi ministers, finance ministers, cabinet ministers. Imagine you get 15 of them drying this nation's coffers and leaving for different countries. At a time, they all going to 15 different countries. Do you think you can bring any of them home? Then it will become a culture whereby we will get foreigners planting people in our government, siphoning money into other foreign countries, and at the end of the day, when it's about to go down, they will just leave. So what this is going to do is say, some MPP politicians will now start getting double identity. I'm going to say they are going to start preparing to get a residency in other countries. Now they'll get a residency quietly. Some of them will get US green cards quietly. Some of them will go and get other countries' citizenship quietly. They will come and lobby for positions. They will drain you people. Last month, 2 months, they will leave. Because this is a clear precedent. This is clear. So you should be worried. This is the MPP plan. Hey? They have created a culture. Say, I'm cutting in there. We will curse ourselves. Because right now, every single politician in the MPP is not scared to steal. Nobody is scared. Obianso. Because this is their inspiration. When from the OSP who started the case and blew it up, guided Ofori Atta to leave the country. The Attorney General stepping in, everything. One person. Imagine you get 20 people all exiting at the same time, taking billions of money from your country outside. Do you think you can get even one of them home? No. This is dangerous. That's what I'm saying. Ofori Atta is not my problem. Ofori Atta is not my problem. It is us. We need to be rational. This one, it should teach us a lesson as a people. Forget about the school. Forget about differences. Forget about where you belong. This thing you are seeing, this is a new culture the NPP is trying to create in our politics. This thing you are seeing. Ofori Atta being finance minister for 8 years, leaving and staying in America and saying, I won't fucking come back. Hey! This, say, Brody Chrome, the country will go on its knees because this guy, Bawumia, they have created a window. They have created a window. We should panic. We should be worried now. We should be very worried. And these are the kind of conversations we need to be having in Parliament now. Because Mami can't show. There are young people in Ghana who are taking inspiration from here. There are some young people studying in Europe, America, Asia. They are looking at this and they are like, okay, this is not bad. I can also do this. So now going into African politics, Ghana politics, I wouldn't be scared. Because at least if I'm able to secure whatever I want to secure and buy myself a citizenship or a residency anywhere, I am good. I can take it away. So Mahamudu Bawumia MPP, no, so dangerous. Hey, we are not supposed to have any conversation. This is what is supposed to scare us. Going into election 2028 and in the next 40 years, we need to try everything to stop this. Because you see, either way, it's not going in 8 years. It's not going in 16 years. It's not going in 40 years. This thing is a mark. And this mark is not going. It's going to stay with that. It's a birthmark on Ghana. Because any day we become careless, any day we lose guard, we drop our defenses, and these people with this inspiration enter our governance system, we are done. That's it. So this should scare you. I was sad with my show. Yeah. Forget about Ofori Atta. He has created the whole. Bawumia has assisted. These people, they have done something that is dangerous. They have cut deep into our politics, into our democracy. They have cut us deep. And you might see this as a joke, eh? If we are not careful near Tam to Mima MPP, we are done. Eh? This thing that you are seeing, court to be we are saying Ghana will use this as a precedence. And the MPP politician betuma catch will say, you see, I know, you see, I'm a banner, we are not then I'll be to my. That is what Bawumia represents. That is what the MPP as a political party represents. Okay? Adewi, etu broni, broni bia, anka omukrono, anka chaos nays in kebin sida. But some people take this as a joke. This is not. Ofori Atta dia wayeno. We should not be angry with Ofori Atta. It is Mahamudu Bawumia and MPP. Because they are the ones supporting this. Senka Bawumia make a direct statement to say, Ofori Atta needs to be in Ghana to prove to Ghana for say, me, the leader of this party, we are not criminals. We are not building a new culture in our political system. And that we need to prove. But today, that party that is telling you, give me power, give me power, give me power. That is the party that is supporting this. You should be scared, oh. Me, Makacha Ghana, I have nothing to lose. Oh, Sibia Ofori Atta abre before he got the green card. I've got nothing to lose. I respect the United States of America. I appreciate them because at least they have given me life. And I will always be accountable to the United States of America every day. And I will never in any day, and the US and Ghana going to fight. I will fight for the United States of America. I'm telling you. So don't underestimate your nation. Don't let people create those holes. Do not do that. This is dangerous. It has crept into the MPP. Young MP for America, Europe, Asia, no one ready some politics. They encourage you. They are coming in. They are coming. Ofori Atta was out for years. He sat outside. He came, and today he's telling you he's not coming. And there are so many Ofori Attas in the MPP outside waiting. If you people make a mistake, the things I know about Ghana politics. So idea and kawo be jina social media, and kawo, you will stay away from the MPP. This should be a lesson to all of us. I am just a messenger, an American, a human being who loves Ghana. My job here is to tell you the truth. You can decide to ignore it. I don't fucking care. Whether you like it or not, I've served you the truth. Allah in his own wisdom, God in his own wisdom, the merciful Allah who has granted me favor is using me to tell you the truth. Say yebe Jimmy, now yebe ma MPP opportunity. After all that we are witnessing, then God be my witness. The beginning of the end is just before us. But I believe and I know Ghanaians are rational. They understand what danger is. We just witnessed danger in the last 8 years. And I know as far as we are reading, we are researching, we are asking questions, we will never make a mistake to make Mahamudu Bawumia and the NPP rule Ghana again. That would be the greatest mistake. And the greatest punishment we can give the NPP is to stop them from coming close to power.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words.